Right, welcome back to the channel. I want to show you a new product that was sent to me the other week from the kind people at Oxford Products. It's a new motorbike paddock stand, but it's got a dolly, so it's got like wheels that you can spin around, which I think's going to be a bit of a game changer. So let's get stuck in. So then guys, here we go. We've got Oxford Zero G, and the guys at Oxford sent me the front and the rear dolly. So we'll get it all unboxed and have a look and see how easy it is to put together. Should be pretty easy. And they also sent me some of these. So these spinners. So they just make the application of putting the paddock stand on that little bit easier. So as the hooks go under here and you put pressure on the back of the paddock stand, these spin. So quite excited to try them. So we'll stick them on, probably on the Fireblade. So let's get unboxed and see what it looks like on the Fireblade. Right, let's see what's in the box. Instructions. Nobody reads them. Nobody. And that feels really, really substantial actually. Right, just got to tighten up the bolts. I'm not going to do them too tight, there's no need. And I'm sure they don't need torquing up as well. And I've just had a call from the vet's, got to go collect Staxton. He's had his crown jewels taken off today. So the vet just rang and said, all's good. Except, just to let you know, this is what the assistant said. She said, just to let you know, his penis is constantly out. And it might be effects of the anaesthetic. I said, don't worry, he's like that at home. Constantly walking around with a semi on, basically. He's just a randy young teenager, isn't he? Right, let's go stick the spinners on the bike. Go put these on. Might as well use them as well. What do we need? Allen key. Allen! So this part here spins. So when you put your bike on the stand here, it's just, well, I presume it's going to be a lot easier to put on. They're pretty cool, I like them. Let's go put the spinners on. I keep getting a bloody shock as well off these new tiles. I think they're great, but I keep getting a static shock when I touch something metal. Need to earth them somehow. Oh, I like them. Yeah, look at that. Well impressed. Look at that. How cool is that? Spinners, good concept. Right, do the other side. So just to give you a bit of an idea of size, they're the R&G bobbins. That's the new Oxford one, so definitely a little bit more streamlined which I quite like actually. And I do like the idea of these spinning. What a great idea. Right, let's try the paddock stand. And what we're thinking, oh, do you know what? In fact, I saw somebody the other week and they said it looked fake. Didn't suit the bike. Definitely doesn't look fake. Well, it's not fake, it's a genuine titanium acro, but I am considering putting the original can back on. I've always said it, I like the look of the original can, it suits the bike. It's just not loud enough, so as long as I don't reconnect the servo cables and stick the original can back on, which is also titanium and made by Akrapovic, it'll sound good. So I think we will stick the original one back on the blade. Right, and I'm a little bit behind as well doing the garage. I've got just finished the edging last night. I've been so bloody busy with work and just haven't had time to finish the job. So right, let's just line them up. So just needs to go in a little bit. You only have to adjust these once if you're keeping it on the same bike. So, and it's boiling today. Here in East Yorkshire, we're on 22 degrees, which is unheard of, isn't it, really, for May, beginning of it's 1st of May. Right. Oh, I've gone the wrong way, Anna. And I need to give that blade a clean, it's filthy. You won't see that close up, but the wheels are absolutely disgust. I didn't wash it when I came back from the last ride, and should have done, I always do, just didn't have time. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. And then we've got the front dolly as well, so I'm not going to put the front dolly on right now. I just wanted to just show you the rear stand really on this new dolly system, but although I've got vented tiles and it's a little bit wobbly, I think that with the combined with the front dolly, absolutely brilliant. Brilliant game changer. So it's the new 0G. I'll put the price in the description if you want to buy one of these. I don't get commission or anything like that. Oxford were just kind enough to send me these products, so I think the spinners are absolutely brilliant. Definitely a lot easier to get the dolly on, and I think that's a game changer. Well, it is for me, moving bikes around, so I might have to put my hand in my pocket and buy some, because they did give me that for free, but might get a cheeky discount. Who knows? You never know. If you don't ask, you don't get. So that's the Oxford 0G dolly. Thanks very much for watching. And is it a good bit of kit? I'd definitely say that'll transform the way you store your bike in the garage. That's brilliant. So easy to move around. And if you've got a smooth garage floor, it'll be even easier. So yeah, well impressed. Right guys, get yourself to Oxford and get yourself ordering this fantastic new 0G, and don't forget the spinners as well, because it was super easy for putting the paddock stand on. Right guys, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you all on the next video.